Let's create liquid gradient text effect in Photoshop. Write text whatever you want. Ctrl-T to transform. Select the rising style. Adjust the text in the center. Now apply Gaussian blur and set the value something around 2.1, duplicate the layer and hide it for now. Now apply gradient map. Set the color, just follow the steps. Now your design looks like something black and gray. Apply another gradient map this time. I selected a different color. You can select a color according to your choice. Now select the layer and go to the blending option first. Apply bevel and emboss. Set the values by following the steps. Now apply stroke. And also apply some drop shadow. Now open the duplicate layer, go to the filter, and from Blur Gallery, apply Path Blur. Now increase the value gradually, otherwise your system may crash. Also adjust the angle of gradients. It looks cool. You can also change the colors of the gradient map. And that said, your design is ready. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.